2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra wheel shock replacement. I'll be replacing both of them because they're leaking. As you guys can see here, they are leaking. I'm replacing them. So both wheel shocks are held by 21mm bolt. Right, that one is a nut. He has a nut in the back, and the one on top have a welded nut. He has a welded nut in the back of it. See, 21mm. So take them off and position a jack stand. Since I'm in the shop, I position a jack stand underneath it, or you can use a regular floor jack to hold the axle in place when you take out the shock. So let's take them out. I'll spray some WD-40 or penetrating fluid on the treads. Alright, there it is. It's off. I use a 21mm wrench in the back so I can get the bolt off. As you guys can see, the top bolt is off. The shock is just hanging now. I finished removing the bolt. And yeah, you guys see how much the shock is moving. That means it's bad. You should have some resistance here. That's the old shock. So that means it's bad. It should literally push against me. It should have some resistance to it. Here's the new one. I'll post the link in the comment section below. When you put it in, make sure that you don't take this off yet, because it's gonna fight you to line up with the bolt at the bottom right here. Right, so we're going to start on top first and put it in the hole down here. Now that I have it in place on top, right, now I can cut this and line up the bottom. There it is. Perfect. Now I can put my bolt in. So everything is in. I'm about to want the bolt go, and the one on top too, same thing. And that's it, guys. Bolt it in and take your jack stand off and go for a test drive. I'm gonna be doing the other side now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.